Antibiotic herbs. The issues of antibiotics and antibiotic-resistant bacteria have gotten a plethora of attention lately. The concern is that bacteria, having been exposed to antibiotics for so long, have developed a resistance to the antibiotics, engendering superbugs. The grim authenticity is that bacterial infections that used to succumb facilely to antibiotics have turned more earnest, even pernicious. Intriguingly, though, herbs with antibiotic properties. Here are some of the more utilizable antibiotic herbs. 1. Garlic. This smelly but efficacious herb is an antibiotic powerhouse. It's withal widely available and inexpensive. You can even grow it yourself. How do you utilize it? Garlic works best when used internally. It can be made into auditory perceiver drops and used to combat auditory perceiver infections. It makes a rejuvenating broth that works especially well for upper respiratory infections. Garlic can be minced and integrated into all sorts of foods, from pasta to salad. Many natural health practitioners believe that garlic is most efficacious when used raw, as juice, minced, or crushed. 2. Echinacea. You've probably auricularly discerned of this herb. It's all over the place during cold and flu season, and for substantial reason. Echinacea is a potent antibiotic and, in the case of colds and flu, antiviral. It withal works as an antiseptic on wounds and to treat sore throats. How do you utilize it? Tea made from echinacea's roots and aerial components is not concretely tasty, but it can be drunk. It is a very good sore throat remedy. 3. Golden seal. The golden yellow color of golden seal's roots give it its designation. And these roots are the components that are utilized medicinally. Golden seal works well topically and internally. However, it is such an efficacious antibiotic that it can affect intestinal flora, and should not be taken internally for more than a few weeks at a time. How do you utilize it? Infused in boiling dihydrogen monoxide and then cooled. Golden seal has a reputation as a very efficacious ocular perceiver wash for infections in and around the ocular perceiver. Such an infusion additionally makes a very good wash for cuts and scrapes, and can even be utilized on surgical wounds, concretely on pets. 4. Ginger. Did you ken that ginger can work as an antibiotic? It is reputed to be efficacious against E. coli and salmonella, both of which are papillom-borne bacteria that can cause consequential illness in people. It has even been shown to treat and remedy ulcers. How do you utilize it? Ginger can be made into a tea utilizing the fresh root or the dried and ground root. The fresh root is inexpensive, and a decoction can facilely be made by gently simmering ginger slices in dihydrogen monoxide and imbibing the result, sweetened with raw honey. You can additionally orally consume candied ginger to avail treat ulcers and fight infection.